Oh no, we are having troubles on production. But didn't we test this before launching? Yes, of course, we certainly do. We have 100% coverage and all the test pipelines are green. So what happens? Are you being able to reproduce in your local environment? Do you need any help? No, I'm trying. But we have a lot of things mock, even the interaction with the database. Aren't you tired of being scared to work on some part of your project? Not knowing if your change will blow up stage in production and beyond? Not knowing if you're breaking some other features? Hi, my name is Ramiro, and I want you to join me on this journey when I'm gonna tell you how I managed to solve a lot of these common problems by simply organizing my code in a different way and using a dummy database to test my application. In order to solve this, we use three key concepts: interfaces, dependency injections, and repository patterns. With these concepts, we create a solution that lets us change the database based on our needs. In this case, the local production database for a clean and empty that we are going to use in each test. The interface concept helps us to create a base class that will represent the different database sessions. The dependency injection allows us to make a quick and easy switch between the different interfaces whenever we need. And finally, the repository pattern lets us encapsulate the database logic and all the interaction, making our system independent. Do you remember how we start this? Now let me take you to the moment before pushing the breaking code and see how this could go with these new tools that we have. Hey, I'm gonna push my code. Could you give me a code review? Yes, of course. Never mind. My test failed and showed me a little bug with the database interaction. I'll fix it and I will come back to you. Now you don't need to mock up the database interactions. You can test the whole process cycle. You know if your change breaks something else. And you are gonna deploy with so much confidence. If you want to know more, in the description I will leave the GitHub repository with all the documentation and the tasks that I create to separate the work and implement this. So I invite you to implement this change and tell me how it goes and what we could do better. Because with more people trying new things, better ideas will appear. Thank you for your time and I hope this helped you.